Hey you guys. Okay, so as you saw by the title, today I'm doing the honk at me prank on my boyfriend, but I have to film this outside because he's inside. I have to make this intro really quick. I wanted to kind of explain what we're doing. Someone was watching me. We're about to go pick up my best friend Jaylee. We're gonna take her out for birthday dinner, and the whole time he's gonna have a sign on the back of our Jeep that says honk at me. It's for a prank. I taped it to the back of the Jeep best I could. I'll actually show you. Okay. Hopefully the wind's not too bad, but I just put it down there. It says honk at me. It's for a prank. I wanted to fill in the letters originally, but my marker was dying, so that was the best I could do. Hopefully people will see it. Hopefully it's not too small. And obviously this isn't gonna stay here, but I just had that covered up. Okay, that's totally crooked, but I have to hurry up. So I'm hoping some people honk. I'm hoping not too many honk because I don't know how he's gonna react. He takes a lot of pride in his driving. If some people honk at him, he's gonna be like, what the heck, what did I do wrong? He's gonna think that we're vlogging, like her birthday kind of celebration. I'm really excited and I'm really nervous, so let's get on with the prank. I'm literally sweating right now. This Texas heat ain't a joke, y'all.
Here's my direction.
It's 6.6 miles.
Oh, it's still 0.6 miles. Hung out. It was basically like game night. I don't even remember there being a church there, honestly. It's because they're just now building it. This used to be a store. Yeah?
I mean, I'm sure it used to be a store, but it's been around for a while.
I don't think so.
It has. What?
Trying to.
Oh, of what, the potholes?
No, I'm trying to watch the direction.
Go left here.
Well, I have to. I missed the turn. Because I'm going to catch both red. Like this one.
All right.
Okay. Why are they honking at me?
What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Who honked?
There's a car right behind me.
Oh. I don't... Why are they honking at you?
Right here?
Yeah, turn left. What's funny?
They just honked at me. I don't know why.
Go up there.
Oh, my friend lives here.
Okay, so now we're picking up Jaylee. Where are we going?
The wharf.
Is that like is it a chain or is it just something they have here?
It's only here. It's a seafood restaurant.
Apparently it's really good. I've never been. I have never been there, but Gage has been there.
You can get full portion for $14. No. Yeah, and then a half portion for $8.
Do they have pasta?
No. Sorry.
I like
Yeah,
pasta.
no pasta.
She's not answering.
Hi, this is Taylor.
Dang it. Oh, there she is. Oh, my window's so dirty. I just got a car wash. Hello, best friend. Hello, best friend.
Hello.
You're gorgeous. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hey, we're matching.
Yesterday.
We're
Are
both.
you wearing a skirt?
No.
Oh,
No.
I was talking about we're outer banking it. Oh, hold on. I'm still zoomed in.
I saw that at Claire's or icing today, but I was just like, I'm gonna do it.
I got this one off of Etsy.
Oh, I got you.
Well, I got mine cheap, so.
Some lady made this one for me.
Have you seen the Outer Banks?
I haven't seen Outer Banks actually.
Have you seen it?
Nope.
It's really good,
I want to watch it.
but it's really good.
I have no idea if the wharf is even open.
Well, we'll go check, and then if they're not, we'll try to go somewhere else.
Dude, I saw it. It's right over there.
It's right here.
It's like right there.
It's right here.
Yeah, it's off of this ramp. Dude, what?
Something this weekend.
Do you think they'll let me record inside or no?
Yes, you'll be fine. I would just not.
It just looks weird. I don't know.
It's because it's white.
I guess it's not that bad.
I'm not supposed to eat it.
Wanted to get soup, but they don't have any good soup here.
They have good soup. Just nothing you would like. Nothing you would like.
Yeah, I only like chicken noodle.
Ew. What's the worst soup?
That's the best soup. So, we can go to church.
You vlog at church. Hey, this is Jesus. And this is the preacher.
Say hi, Jesus.
He always says that.
He's the best. Okay, so this is our main course. I have chicken, and I didn't know it came with pineapple.
Hawaiian chicken.
It's Hawaiian chicken, I guess. Little fries. What's this?
Teriyaki sauce. It's
I like
good.
secret sauce better. I think it sounds more fun.
It sounds more secret. What do you have?
I have 4 jumbo shrimp, some fries, and would you say it was
Cocktail sauce.
Cocktail sauce.
Cocktail sauce. What did you get?
I got crawfish etouffee.
Ooh. Is it as good as your wet mammals? Who makes your crawfish etouffee?
I got that on camera.
Like like 1 week.
Are you okay?
Yes. I thought it wouldn't come out, so I thought it had the little like plastic on there. Oh, yeah.
Shake it.
This has been bad.
I'm sorry, but that was really fun. Thank you. Anyway, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I love you. This is Gage proving that he's not human because he doesn't react when he eats lemons. That's gross.
Maybe the
Ew. Why did you eat the peel?
the liquid.
Why did you eat the peel? Let's see who reacts less. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, she reacted a lot. I reacted a lot. Damn, really good job.
I don't like the texture.
Wow.
I almost threw up. There was a seal.
I just had like a mini heart attack. Did your heart?
Eat that one.
Did your heart just like stop?
This is her dessert. You're so cute. It's banana Foster's.
Yeah, that's all.
So what's in it?
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Why
I
is
was
it
like,
called
what do I hate about
Foster's?
bananas? I don't like
It's
it.
the caramel sauce.
What is
That
it
is
good?
so good.
It's good.
So good. You know what it tastes like? Did y'all ever make banana pudding when you were kids, and then you put like all the vanilla, like vanilla wafers? And
I'm not big on banana pudding, honestly. He loves it. Did you enjoy it?
Me?
Yeah.
It's super good.
Did you enjoy your birthday dinner?
Yes.
I can't. There you are.
Lots of fun.
Sorry, I might have I put the language thing in Spanish.
Oh.
Dude, we'll do that in my car. You know the thing, whenever I in my car it'll say command, it'll be like, it'll say in Spanish or something.
Spanish.
You know what I really want? It's like luxury, like I want a Tesla.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna get.
Why
I feel
does
like everybody wants a Tesla.
Why are y'all obsessed with Teslas?
Because now we can't obtain them eventually.
Yeah.
You know, it's like
Oh, because they're cheaper?
yeah,
They're
like
not
40.
they're not very expensive at
Okay,
all.
but are the cheaper ones still self-driving?
Yes,
Mhm.
all of them are self-driving.
Autopilot's a feature, so you can buy it separately from the car. Hello.
Hello? That was just my
Okay.
texting.
But
I almost dropped it.
I'm waiting on Progressive to message me back about all the damage.
I don't feel like y'all have that much. Is
You
there
have
more
to-
than
We
this
got
stuff?
about $5,000 worth of damage.
You just have to get it appraised still.
From what my dad said, we have like $4,000 to $5,000 worth of damage, and most of it's because we
5.
4 to 5. Sorry, but most of it's because this door got hit and the paint cracked.
Oh, I didn't even see
drive around a car
that.
like this. Why don't you just want to?
Yeah, I mean, there's not that much wrong with our Jeep. It just had, like, we got that circular chip in the window.
I'm just showing him that really.
Hey,
What?
wait, I don't want to get the numbers in the thing. Hold on. Do you remember when that one guy honked at you?
Yeah.
Do you know why he honked at you? Come here. Yeah. Love you. No, I'm giving it to her. I made this card today. Like, the sticker's coming back.
Oh my gosh.
It's got lots of glitter.
Did you make that?
Yeah.
That's my beautiful. Wait, you drew this?
Yeah, I made the whole thing.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. The font. I love it. It's like Comic Sans. It's so windy.
Sorry.
Here we get video. Bam.
That's so. Remind me of like a bunny. I don't know. You're just like a bunny.
Sorry I didn't get your name.
You're so sweet.
But that took my time. Right?
I'm glad. I love it.
I tried to spray it with like a little bit of hairspray so it wouldn't fall off because I saw that was a trick. If you spray with hairspray, the glitter doesn't come off as much.
So Gage, were you like pranked like really hard?
Did you get prankster?
I got honked at by one
You
person.
get real hard pranked.
People
No,
wanted to
not
be
you.
fun.
You got hooked at only by one person.
One person.
Yeah, you honked well.
And he honked
but
like
it was
5
like-
times.
They
twice,
honked,
and then you
they
accelerated
honked a
really
little
fast.
bit, and then
I
as they
didn't know why
passed
you
us,
were
they,
honking.
Like, blared out their horn.
Wait, so you didn't know that was behind you?
No.
When did you put it on? Like when we got out of the wharf?
No, I put it on before we went anywhere.
And I got honked
How
by
did you not
one.
see it?
Cause I get in on that side and I walk around the front.
Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Were you surprised? A little bit? Or did you expect that from me, I guess?
Yes.
Before we completely close this out, I want to give a shout out to my friend Matthew Martin. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love you. You're a real one. Also, a quick update right after this video goes up. We're going to be posting our vlog up in Michigan. It's my hometown. He's never been. We'll be hanging out up there, doing some fun stuff. We're going to be hanging out a lot with my family. We're going to go to Lake Michigan, Lake Beck, and all that stuff. So if y'all enjoy, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. We do new shout outs every video for new subscribers. And we love y'all. Bye.
Bye.